PJ 9956. Her name is Lovely Peralta. She's 26 years old, married with 1 kid. She finished associate in hotel restaurant management. She worked in Hong Kong for 1 year. This is PJ 9956. Will you please introduce yourself?
I am Lovely Paned Peralta, 26 years old, married. I live in Barangay 10, Makayapiap, Banna, Ilocos Norte. I have 2 brothers. I am married to Julius Eugenio Peralta and we have 1 kid. My parents are Mr. and Mrs. Eusebio Paned.
If given chance to work in Hong Kong, who will look after your family?
My parents, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn more money for the future of my family.
Do you have any experience in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
What were your duties and responsibilities?
Cleaning the house, car washing, washing clothes, washing dishes, tutoring kids.
Why did you leave your employment?
Because I'm no longer suitable to take good care of their 6 dogs, ma'am.
Okay. If given chance to work in Hong Kong, what age you prepare to look for?
I can look for a newborn baby, 1 to 2-year-old, ma'am.
Since you already work in Hong Kong, can you name some of the Chinese dishes you know how to cook?
I can cook fried choy sam, steamed fish, and chicken soup, ma'am.
How about elderly care? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care an elderly?
Assist her to go to toilet, assist her to take her medicine, assist her for taking a bath and changing diaper, ma'am.
Can you understand and speak Chinese language?
A little bit, ma'am.
Can you greet your employer?
Choy sam, ma'am.
How about newly born baby? Do you have experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your experience?
I know how to change their diaper, feed their milk, take their medicine, and take them for taking a bath, ma'am.
What will you do first if the baby is crying?
I will get the temperature of the baby, ma'am.
If you found out that the baby is not feeling well, what will you do?
I will call my employer, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you think you're a suitable domestic helper?
Because I am honest, responsible, flexible, and hardworking, ma'am.
Do you know how to sing nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example?
Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Eyes and nose and mouth and ears. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay. Can you give a message to your future employer?
Good day to my future employer. Please choose me as your helper because I am responsible, hardworking, flexible, and honest. And I promise to do my duties and responsibilities as your helper. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.